This was a corporate karaoke party that I was asked to DJ and MC for a group of 300 different lawyers and associates at the end of their 3-day conference. But it didn't just start with this. There's not many personalities that will go straight from a nice dinner into karaoke, so here's what I did. I created a music trivia game called Lost the Lyrics, where I put on the screen a list of lyrics from a song and tied it in with the music, and then I paused it and I had blanks where there were certain lyrics that were missing. So we played music trivia, fill in the lyrics, and then from there we started off with karaoke where individuals were coming up, and at the end of the night it looked like this. 'Cause I'm live,